chasing after dollar bills, gotta get it how you live. True is when you hustle, so you go out there and get it, doing whatever you gotta do to make a meal.
I'm all about the cheese, baby, all about the cheddar. When it come to ghetto grinding, can't nobody do it better. A real go-getter, never hesitate to hit a lick. I don't have to even make a phone call to get a brick. If I intended on this sidewalk to it, code 424, he know just what to do. Bring me two turkeys back like it's Thanksgiving. That's how we do it in Texas, my nigga, so how you living? Keep up in the game since the early 90s. Never sleep to keep them haters one step behind me. Ain't nothing changed but the time that they hand out. But even without the cars and the ice, we stand out. Cause everybody know us in the streets, we like royalty. Command the respect and demand it, click loyalty. If you ain't down with free and Pimp C, then fuck all y'all. You wanna know what trill is? Tell them Paul Wall.
Trill is when you hustle, trill is when you grind, trill is when you punch in that clock overtime.